Plant Biology Europe meeting is an international meeting covering plant science across multiple disciplines and at multiple scales, supported by the Federation of European Society of Plant Biology.
Plant Biology Europe has an extremely rich scientific program, all the way from cellular and functional biology up to broad ecological and evolutionary questions. This year, we gave it a particular flavor on environmental challenges. We have invited guests and organized sessions on stress responses, agroecology, plant breeding, plant-plant interactions, plant-soil interactions, symbiosis with bacteria and fungi. Beyond the traditional format of conferences, we have organized a roundtable to discuss these essential topics that are at the heart of current concerns. We invite all scientists to join us.
So in my lab, we study meiosis. Meiosis is a specialized cell division which produces haploid cells from diploid precursors, and these haploid cells then differentiate in gametes. And at the PEB meeting in Marseille, I will present our new discovery, which suggests that the regulation of meiotic progression requires P-bodies. And P-bodies, these are special cytoplasmic condensates which are involved in post-transcriptional gene regulation, more specifically in RNA decay and also in regulation of translation. And we found that inactivation of these P-bodies leads to improper termination of meiotic program, and such mutant plants cannot form pollen.
Grants are available to support the registration and accommodation costs for young scientists, in particular from low-income countries, thanks to the generous support of our sponsors, the FESPB, the IRD, the EM2B, the INRAE, and the SFBV. To learn more about these grants, please check the Grants and Award page of the conference website.
We are very proud to organize this meeting in Marseille, at the heart of the Provence region. Marseille is a very ancient city of southern Europe with a wide range of culture and population.